In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Explore feature in Google Sheets to get instant insights. Start by opening your Google Sheets document that already has the data you want to analyze. The Explore feature works best when your data is laid out in a simple table with clear column headers, like date, category, or amount. That helps Sheets understand what you're looking at and surface better suggestions. Once your sheet is open, look to the bottom right corner of the screen for the Explore button. It looks like a small star or a magnifying glass. Click it, and the Explore panel will slide out on the right side of your screen. This is your hub for quick, AI-powered analysis without needing to build formulas or charts from scratch. Right away, you'll see automatically suggested insights based on your data. These might include charts that highlight patterns, summaries that calculate totals or averages, and trends that point out changes over time. Think of this as a quick, smart overview of what's interesting in your sheet. If your data is clean and labeled, the suggestions are often surprisingly on point. If you want to dig deeper, scroll through the suggestions to see more options. You can also type a question directly into the search box at the top of the Explore panel. For example, try average salary or sum of sales, and Sheets will attempt to interpret your question and return a numerical answer, a mini chart, or even a pivot table suggestion. Use the exact column names from your header row in your question to get more accurate results. You can also include timeframes or categories, like total sales last quarter or average score by region, as long as those fields exist in your sheet. When you find a suggested chart or insight that you like, click it to insert it directly into your sheet. If you prefer, use the Insert button you see alongside some suggestions to add a chart or a pivot table. Charts are inserted onto your current sheet, while a pivot table may be inserted into a new sheet so it has room to expand. Either way, the content is based on your existing data, so it stays connected to updates you make. That's all there is to it. By opening your sheet, clicking Explore, reviewing the suggested insights, asking questions in plain language, and inserting the results you want, you can turn raw data into meaningful visuals and summaries in just a few clicks.